You've got 3 seconds, maybe less. That's it. If your video doesn't stop the scroll immediately, you're background noise. Today, we're diving into the world of short form video, why it's dominating your feed, and exactly how to make it work without burning out or dancing on TikTok. Well, unless you want to. It's showtime. Let's get started. Creating consistent, engaging social media content shouldn't feel like rocket science. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs go from I don't know what to post to I've got this, using simple, easy to implement steps that make a big difference. I'm Maggie Carey, and welcome to the Painless Posting Podcast. Let's talk about the elephant in the algorithm, short form video. Why is short form stealing the spotlight? Well, let's first talk about what is short form video. Short form video are those videos that you see on TikTok and Reels and YouTube Shorts. They're these short little clips, usually considered under 60 seconds, and I mean 60 seconds, 59.5 or less, videos that give a snippet, a little bit of information about you, your business, your world. Now, of course, we're talking business here on the Painless Posting Podcast. So what are the things that people are sharing? Now, let's be real. Our attention spans are officially toast. We're living in the scroll era, where you have milliseconds to capture someone's interest before they swipe right past you for a dancing dog wearing sunglasses. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, these aren't only just passing trends. They're redefining how we consume content. Now, you might argue with me at the recording of this video, TikTok in the United States is on shaky ground, but what they have done to change the social media landscape by making these short form videos the thing that people want to consume. If your business isn't showing up in short form video, you are missing out where your audience actually is and what they like to consume. But here's the good news. You don't need fancy lighting, a ring light army, or suddenly to become a video editing wizard. You just need to be strategic. And that's what we're doing today. Now, let me share with you my 3 ways to make short form video work for you. And I'm going to give you some industry specific examples that will help you understand the concept just a bit better. Now, remember to stay to the end because I always give an actionable shortcut, and this one's going to be awesome. So, the first way, hook them in the first 3 seconds. The first few seconds of your video are everything. You have to hook them in to stop the scroll. That means you need something to hook them in verbally, something to hook them in visually. You want to spark curiosity, create emotion, or promise value immediately. So how would this look for a marketing coach? They could say, here's why your content isn't converting and what to do about it. For a wellness expert, they could say, if you're waking up tired every day, this might be why. For a restaurant owner, what's our most underrated dish? Watch this. Overlay a bold headline on the top of that first image. Think of it like a digital billboard. Viewers are zooming past, and you've got a split second to get them to look up. Way number 2 to make short form videos work for you is to break it down to build them up. Short form video works best when you don't overload the viewer. Give them one idea, one win, one transformation. So let's look at those different industries I mentioned earlier to see how you could break this down. So a marketing coach could say, 3 things I check before I post content. Stop doing this if you want real engagement. The thing I do that helped my client hit 6 figures. A wellness expert might take a different approach. They might share one stretch that relieves lower back pain, what I eat every morning for better energy, the myth about hydration that no one's talking about, Those 3 different steps for that wellness expert hit on a different thing, but we're not putting all 3 of them in one post. Now, let's take a look at a restaurant and use something interesting for them as well. They could say, behind the scenes, how we plate our best seller. Chef's tip, the trick to perfect pasta. Another, the one ingredient we never skip. Oh my gosh, just saying those things, I want to know the trick to making perfect pasta, right? This is what you're doing. You're intriguing your audience. You're drawing them in. Now, each clip can stand alone, but together they build your expertise and keep people coming back for more. Now, the third way to make short form video work for you is to create for visibility, not just views. You're not just trying to rack up likes. You want to be discoverable. And short form video is powerful when it's findable. You have to remember it's more about the value you provide than becoming viral. So that means use hashtags that reflect your niche and your location if you're a location-based business. Add searchable keywords to your captions. Remember, your caption is very important. Don't just do a video without a caption. And third, use trending sounds, but keep it relevant. If it doesn't fit your brand, don't do it. And here's a bonus tip. Use on-screen captions. Because a lot of people are watching silently, making sure they get your message either way, you want to use captions. Now, let me share with you some tools that can make it easier. So when you're creating short form video, it can be easy if you have the right tools. Now, first and foremost, use your phone, use your computer, record your videos. Make sure your lens is clean, clean it off, get a microfiber towel, make sure it's clean so that you don't have foggy, filmy fingerprints all over it. Make sure that your lighting is good, that we can see you if you're doing a talking video. But remember, you could also do faceless videos as well. Of course, there's AI where people are generating videos, so it doesn't always have to be a recorded video, a talking head video of you. Although I do find when you are front-facing, people see that short-form video, they connect with you. It's a way to connect with people on a personal basis. They feel like you're talking to them. So don't just say, hey, guys. Talk like you're talking to that ideal client, that person that if you had 100 of, you'd be set in your business, or 1,000 of, right? So talk to the camera. That's how I talk when I'm doing these recordings. When I record, I am imagining that person. I'm imagining you sitting in front of me, looking for advice, looking for help, just like when I do my one-to-one strategy sessions with people. I want to make you feel comfortable. I want to make you feel like you can trust me, that I'm here to help you and to support you. That's how you can leverage short form video in 60 seconds or less. You keep coming up in their feed and they will begin to learn from you and trust you as time goes on. So getting back to tools, there are many tools you can use to help you along the way. Canva is a great graphics tool, but it also has a very robust video editing tool where you can create reels. They have templates to get you started. But remember, make that first frame count. So you can look for branded videos for quotes. The wellness expert could look for a calming background with music that matches. The restaurant could use a collage of fan favorites or new specials or new menu options. When you're using Canva, it's very easy to stay on brand. In a pro version, they have something called a brand kit. It is so amazingly easy to keep branded with your colors, your fonts, your logos, your key photos, your headshots, and it's really simple. Another tool that I use for video, I'm actually using it right now. You'll see it when I break up my long form video into short form video is a tool called Descript, and I'll leave a link in the comments below for you. With Descript, you can record your video, upload it into Descript, and it will transcribe it instantly. And then what you can do is add in that closed caption text that I was talking about, those text overlays. You can do things like clip out words where you made a mistake. You can even take all those clips that you cut and make a blooper reel. You don't need editing experience. You just need a message worth sharing and a tool or tools that make it easy. Okay, so were you ready for that shortcut that I promised you? I'm giving you the camera ready checklist that will help you get camera ready without the drama. So let's be real, getting on camera can feel like a whole thing, but it doesn't have to be. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a professional makeup artist. You don't need to get a blowout for your hair. You don't need to wear a fancy outfit or be in an exotic location. You need to be you. Step 1, clean the lens, whether you're recording on your computer or you're recording on a camera or you're recording on your phone. Before you do anything, give that camera lens a quick wipe with a microfiber towel. Your phone has been in your bag, in your pocket, in your car cup holder. It is going to have smudged lenses every once in a while, and that makes your video look hazy and not in a good way. So grab that microfiber cloth and clean off that lens gently so that it's crystal clear. The second step for being camera ready, find the light. Oh, how I love to be in the spotlight. For those of you who don't, I still can empathize. However, if you don't have a ring light, it's not a problem. Face a window. Natural light makes you look alive and fresh and like you've got it all together. If you're recording at night or your lighting is tricky, place a lamp behind your phone for a soft glow. Step 3 to being camera ready, do a quick self-check. Flip your camera and do a fast scan. You're not aiming for perfection. We're aiming for presentable enough to show up. Ask yourself, is my hair doing something wild? Is there laundry behind me? Do I have yesterday's lunch on my shirt or worse, in my teeth, right? Do this quick check. I remember one time when I was recording, my cat was sitting on my bookshelf the entire time. Her tail was just wagging. It happens. Okay, just be prepared. Just doing that 10 seconds will save you from realizing later that you had a cat on your bookshelf or you had spinach in your teeth. Here's a little bonus tip. Pick a go-to recording top that you love. Keep it handy so when inspiration strikes, you don't have to waste time on deciding what wardrobe to wear. And remember, always wear your brand. You can see it's all purple all the time here. I make sure when I'm doing a video, I am wearing something purple. That is the way I keep myself branded and consistent and show up in my social media. Those are my 3 steps for being camera ready. So 3 steps: wipe, light, scan, and done. Okay? Wipe your lens, make it clean, make sure you have proper lighting, and do a quick scan of yourself and your surroundings to make sure everything looks good. Short form video doesn't require perfection, but a little prep to help you show up confidently. This quick checklist takes you from meh to let's do this in no time. Remember, short form video isn't going anywhere anytime soon, and neither is your business. So let's make your content as scroll stopping as your service. There's one piece that I haven't mentioned, and it is your caption that goes with your video. Please do not post videos on social media without a caption. It helps you with your SEO. It helps you with getting found. It is critical. Now, if you're stuck on what to say in your captions, download our free help process guidebook. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guidance on how to create captions that convert, including examples, templates, and bonus tips to make your content stand out. So head over to thehelpprocess.com and grab your free copy of the Help Process Guidebook, your shortcut to social media success. Again, that's thehelpprocess.com. Don't wait, download it now. And if you've enjoyed the Painless Posting podcast, don't forget to subscribe and please leave us a review. It helps others discover these social media shortcuts too. So, until next time, keep your posting painless and your engagement powerful.